What was it, Lauren? First you take
the graham. Break it in half. So here's you get 2.
Oh, okay.
Make a sandwich.
Marshmallow sandwich.
Now, which kind of chocolate do you prefer, milk or dark?
We have milk or dark.
What's better?
Milk is
It's
more
usually
traditional.
yeah, milk is
Okay,
more
then
traditional.
I'm taking it.
Okay.
You want to stay.
So we have
Traditional German
chocolate.
things. It's the first time for me to eat this.
Oh,
Marshmallows?
that's great.
It's the first time I eat warm
how
marshmallows.
many? How should I do it with the squares? Because these squares.
I think it's probably like three squares, since they're smaller rectangles.
Yeah.
So I think
So-
3 would be good.
Then
Three for me,
Okay.
1 for Lauren.
now you put the chocolate on the mallow, and then, or on the cracker. Then you put that, and then squeeze them together.
And
the
pull
cracker
out the stick.
Okay, before you eat it, I have to get a picture.
Woohoo!
And then you eat it like a sandwich.
No, don't eat your other one.
Okay. Anya.
And bite it down. Is it good?
The highest?
Yeah. All right.
Okay. That on there, and then squeeze
Oh my god.
the mallow. Okay.
Liked it, huh?
Kaylin, are you gonna have dark?
Yeah. So.
Too. Okay. Squeeze and pull.
And pull out the stick.
Squeeze and pull.
Sorry. And that's the traditional
Summertime
dessert.
Campfire dessert. Yeah.
I'm staying right in the...
Ah, here.
Oops.
Let's
Uh-oh.
get it.
It broke.
Oh no.
That's okay.
Oh. Anya, try yours.
Try together.
Wait, the whole thing. Do you like it? Alright. Yay!
Oh, the crackers.
Yeah, you can't get them in Sweden. Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, thank you.
Lauren's. Yay! Alright.